Now, Prahlad Joshi, in a statement, has also said that he assumed charge as the Union Minister for Education today, and he's grateful to Prime Minister Modi for placing his faith in him and entrusting him with the responsibility. He also added that he accepts the new responsibility with humility and a deep sense of duty. That's the message that Prahlad Joshi has put forward after assuming charge as Education Minister in these turbulent times. संजय, अब जब प्रहलाद जोशी इंचार्ज हैं एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट के मिनिस्ट्री के, क्या चैलेंजेस हैं, कितनी चुनौतियां हैं, कहां से स्टार्ट करेंगे? Alright, let's go to Rumi, my colleague, to answer that first.
Yes, Kriti, well, these visuals on our screens are from the Education Ministry meeting that was held after Prahlad Joshi was, of course, appointed as the Education Minister. This is one of the first series of meetings that's been held at the Ministry of Education by the newly appointed Education Minister. Remember, Kriti, despite there not being any formal list of announcements made by the cabinet of course the decisions are going to be tabled tomorrow in the assembly as well, but so far what we have gotten is that the main focus of these meetings remains on how to stricten the paper setting rules for NTA and other examination heads, including CBSE. In fact, NTA and CBSE officials were also in a part of this meeting. They were giving their key suggestions about examination reforms and education reforms that are needed in the country, as well as how to make the paper setting formula leak proof. Yes, Kriti.
Absolutely. Rumi, tall task ahead of the new Education Minister. But for now, let's take some more breaking updates coming in.